Hello, and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Laura, Marketing Director at Sallie Tomato. Can you believe we're already on day 15 of the Hearth and Handcrafted Advent Box? Today's surprise is going to be extra special. Day 15. 'Tis the season to eat, drink, and be merry. And this item is just the thing to get you in that celebratory mood. Today we're sharing a Hearth and Handcrafted recipe book made up of our Sallie Tomato employees' favorite recipes. This recipe book is perfect for your upcoming holiday get-togethers. These recipes are Sallie Tomato employee favorites that we love to make and wanted to share with all of our wonderful customers. From our home to yours, enjoy these recipes and embrace the holiday season. We hope this inspires creativity and connects you with holiday traditions and warmth. There might still be a few Advent boxes left on our website, so don't miss your chance. And if we've sold out, sign up for our newsletter below to get early access when the 2026 Advent box launches. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.